Hello everyone, my name is Ilya Rajepi. I'm the owner of Freedom Tech, the repair store in Holland, Michigan. Today I'm doing this video in regard to Xbox Series X. Encounter so many issues with it, and just in general, Microsoft typical problem. So the reason of this video is because after trying to update trying to do the factory reset on the Xbox Series X via USB updates, it fails. It goes to 80% and it shuts down even if you turn it on, or if you try to perform the update, it just continues to fail. I open up the Xbox, and after so many researches, I found out the main problem is the internal SSD. It could be defective, it could be probably just a typical for manufacturer issue. So it won't let the update go through. I removed the actual SSD internally. I actually have a new one that I'm going to put in, but I tested and it is defective. Right now the unit is off because I just had tried and updated the new SSD in there. But if you do have the issue with the unit not performing an update, I would recommend 90% of that is because the SSD is bad. I would recommend to try out and remove the SSD internal. If you have another one, or if you can purchase another one, put that in and try to do the update via USB. It will succeed. But also, this is a video for professional people that do this daily. I wouldn't recommend this for anybody that doesn't have enough knowledge to open up the unit and do what I'm doing, because it could result on losing complete system. So that's all for today. I appreciate for watching my videos and liking and subscribe on them. And time to time I do put videos in there on helping other people on how to repair something without spending too much money. Thank you again for watching the video, and appreciate your likes and your subscribe. Thank you.